Good morning students. How are you? Today beta we will do our third chapter, responsibilities of a good citizen. Means what is our duty as a good citizen, as a Indian citizen. Okay? Means हमारी क्या जिम्मेवारी है अपने देश के लिए या अपनी एनी सोसाइटी फैमिली. Clear? Yes. Firstly, public property and private property. We will discuss this point. Public property and private property. Property meaning you know? Property means we all having some property, like you having your books, your clothes, it's your property. Your parents also having some property like your house. Okay? Private property, the property owned by a person or a family. Okay? Private property owned by a person or a family. Means only responsibility for a family, that is called private property. But in public property owned by the public in a journal. Okay? And all citizens are responsible for this. Clear? And private property, its protection. Okay? Protection of a private property, only the owner responsibility. Owner means जो उसका मालिक है, ये उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना, उसको सेव करना, it's only responsibility as a owner. Okay? But in the public property, as a Indian citizens, all citizens are responsible for this, to protect our public property. Clear? Now examples of the private property and public property. Private property like our books. Okay? Clothes, house, shop, school, etc. These all are examples. These all examples are the private property. And public property means buses. Okay, like in our Haryana Roadways, trains, government hospitals, roads, bank, etc. These all examples of the public property. Okay? After that, protection of the public property. We have discussed already. Means owner of the private property is the responsible for that. Okay? But on the public property, we all are responsible to protect it. Okay? Protection of public property, it's our fundamental duty as an Indian citizen. It's our duty to protect our public property. Clear? And if we are suffer, then how means for example that means public property, if it's damaged. Okay, some cities are it's damaged, and but then it's after the damage of the public property, all entire nations are suffered. Like that, many movements were there. Okay, in the past time also, now at present also. मीन्स लोग क्या करते हैं, रोज रैलियां करते हैं, बसेस को आग लगा देते हैं, धरने, है ना. तो उसमें क्या होता है बेटा, जो चीज़ों का जो पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी है वो उसमें डैमेज होती है, तो इससे क्या होता है, ऑल सिटीजन्स आर सफर्ड. उससे सबका लॉस है ना, उसमें हमारे नेशन का लॉस है तो हमारा भी लॉस है उसमें. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट लुक आफ्टर school property. Schools are government schools also, private schools also. Okay. A school is a private or government? You are studying in a private school. Look after school property. Schools are both type, private schools also, public and government schools also, ठीक है? But private schools property, yeah, it's belonging to the all students, okay? In private also, in government also. Means property belongs to the students and other people also, like teachers, peons, those are working there, okay? Those are studying there, those are working there. All are responsible for the private school property and government school property. Clear? Everyone should be careful about the school property. Clear? Like that, it's your duty to save the furniture, okay? And our classroom. It's as a student, it's your duty. And all property of the school to save it, to protect it. It's responsibility for the all people. Those are belonging to the school. Okay, look after monument. Look after monument. Monument means, you know, monuments beta are historical buildings, okay? Historical means those are related in our history, like that are Red Fort, okay? Taj Mahal, many famous temples, many gurdwaras, okay? These all are monuments, okay? And it is public property or private property? Not, it's a public property, not a private property. Monuments to belong all of us, okay? And they all are the heritage of all Indians. Heritage means our विरासत, हमारा कल्चर है वो, ठीक है? हेरिटेज का प्रॉपर मीनिंग विरासत होता है. India as a number of historical monuments. In our India, many historical monuments are here, like I have given some example also here, Red Fort, Taj Mahal, okay, and churches, mosques, gurdwaras, okay. These monuments were built centuries ago. इनको बनाए हुए काफी टाइम होगा. Means these are built centuries ago. Ago था बहुत पहले, centuries ago, okay. Every year, thousands of tourists visit these monuments. Means many tourists pupils visit these monuments. Not in our only in India, many foreigners people also came in our India and they visit these monuments. Clear? And the archaeological survey means an Indian government agency, okay? An Indian government agency attached to the ministry and responsible for the culture research that conservation. Means जो इसको protect करके रखना, okay? In simple language we can say that government agencies, those duties to protect our monuments. Means ये उनकी ड्यूटी है उस एजेंसी की कि हमारे जो मोन्यूमेंट्स है उसको कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना है, कैसे सेव करके रखना है. क्लियर? बट इट्स टू फाइंड टू डिफिकल्टी टू प्रिवेंट पीपल फ्रॉम स्क्राइबिंग और राइटिंग. ये मुश्किल है ना. मीन्स कोई बंदा उस पर स्क्रब करके चला गया, कुछ लिख के चला गया, तो उसको वो फाइंड करना मुश्किल है. टू फाइंड आउट दिस टाइप ऑफ पीपल. बट इट्स आवर ड्यूटी एज अ इंडियन सिटीजन, एज अ responsible citizen, means to protect these type of property. Why? Because these are the symbol of our heritage. Clear? After that, other kinds of public property means many other kinds of public property example also here, means there are many libraries, okay, government libraries also, museum pic they have given in your book, page number 30, you can see government offices, panchayat, okay, building, telephone booths, etc. These all are the example of public property, and any damage to these will put many people to inconvenience. Means if people damage of this type of property, many people can face the trouble. Means इससे कई लोगों को हार्म हो सकता है उससे, अगर हम ऐसी चीज़ों को डैमेज करते हैं, इससे प्रॉपर्टी का भी लॉस होता है और हमारे नेशन में भी उस चीज़ का लॉस है. क्लियर? As a good citizen, as a responsible citizen, it's our duty to look after our public property as well as our private property. Okay beta, thank you.